Just one trade today, the one and done. Let's see if the profile could have helped us. Right, straight into the charts here. Markets basically an hour open, so IB is about to close. I'm already done. I took a small scalp like after 15 minutes of the open to the upside, continuation play long. But why did I take that trade? So first of all, looking at the weekly profile, we are opening up out of value. So this is bullish. If we're rejecting prior value, I'm looking for these higher levels in overall price action on a higher time frame. So knowing that, I'm gonna go to my daily profiles. So using the highs and lows and levels from last Friday session. So we got the highs, we got the value area high, we got the POC up here on top, got the value area low here, and the prior range low. These were the levels I was using from the prior range. And then I was using from the overnight levels, I was using so we got the value from overnight. This is excess. This was a high volume node of the most aggressive sellers here. That was an important level for me to hold for continuation to the upside. And same for the downside, just a level where the buyers were most aggressive on the bottom. So market opens up out of value, meaning there's a high probability price rejecting value from that prior session or from that value, but also the opposite. If we're opening up outside of value and price, in this case, buyer step in, we trade back into value area low with conviction. The value rotation for me is in play, so meaning basically a whole value rotation of prior session from Friday, meaning I'm looking for a move overall now to the prior POC, and if that breaks the value area high and prior range high here, these levels are very close to each other here, but in general I'm looking for a move towards these levels here. I just took a small scalp of it, as I said before. That is all good. So I just need the bigger picture. If it aligns and I can take a scalp of it, I'm good. I don't have to force trades into the direction, force my buys if not needed. So on my entry chart, so clearly sweeping the highs here, trading above. So if we're not rejecting this level, basically trading back into this for me is not a liquidity sweep. We're still looking for liquidity to the upside, so longs only until we basically fail this level. So knowing that, here the market opens up, we trade back into value from the other session very aggressively, just pushing up straight to that level, that interesting level on the overnight session where the most aggressive selling was taking place. This is where price initially finds some resistance. I just took a continuation play off this after we swept. Buyer step in, I went long, put my stop below the low there, held on to it until seller stepped in. So price was pushing up. I was slowly trailing my stop here. New candle opens up, trades above the prior wick. I'm trailing the low here. Price kind of pushed decently up, but I wanted to be in the move for the bigger picture, or I wanted to be out. So I was anticipating a move towards that prior POC from this move, but obviously things don't happen or go up in one straight line always. They could happen, but it's not always going to be like that. I just started trading really tight when these big sellers stepped in. I didn't want to be part of the absorption here. I think that was a good close. You can see price still basically, it's still creating higher lows and higher highs, but it's not doing it with a lot of conviction. So I'm happy to be done for the day. It's Monday. It's a long week. Let's go. See you in the next one.